ANSYS Additive Solutions. With 19.0, we bring to market a complete solution for additive manufacturing. Over-designed parts use excessive amounts of material. Using topology optimization within ANSYS Mechanical, unnecessary material can be removed to take maximum advantage of additive manufacturing. Validation of designs within ANSYS Mechanical ensures that these new designs still perform as needed by their users. Simulation of the process of additive manufacturing starts with generation of support structures. The support structures and the geometry generated in topology optimization are transferred to process simulation. Process simulation looks at the resulting temperatures, deformations, and stresses caused by the manufacturing process. This information can be used to predict build failures and excessive distortion of produced parts. Users can even go so far as to look at material microstructure to find out exactly what material the parts are built of.